Welcome to South Coast AQMD on the Air for April 2015. I'm your host, Philip Crabb. The South Coast Air Quality Management District is the air pollution control agency for all of Orange County and the urban portions of Los Angeles, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties. Home to almost 17 million people, it is the second most populated urban area in the United States and one of the smoggiest. In this program, we're going to highlight the Governing Board's actions to set a public hearing on rule changes to reduce the health risk associated with toxic air pollution, approve co-sponsoring for electric car conversion and solar-powered home building competitions, support and promote projects to increase the use of new clean-burning technologies such as fuel cells, natural gas, hydrogen, and electricity, and an update on the 2015 Electric Lawnmower Exchange Program. At the March 2015 Governing Board meeting, we heard how the California Office of Environmental Health Hazard Assessment has updated their state guidelines on how much risk to our health certain toxic air pollutants are. They are doing so because recent medical research is finding that our bodies are more easily damaged by toxic pollutants than earlier thought, especially for children, who are more heavily impacted by air pollution than adults. At that meeting, the board approved the process to begin adjusting some of South Coast AQMD's toxic air pollution rules as a result of these tougher guidelines. They also asked staff to prepare a major communication effort to educate the many businesses, local governments, and communities about the new guidelines and how they will affect pollution control requirements. So this month, staff had been prepared to ask the board to bring the proposed rule changes to the May meeting for their approval. However, the business community had asked for more time to work out the details, and staff agreed. Business group representatives came to express their appreciation for the extra 30 days to work with staff on the new rule changes, as well as all of the extra effort by staff to reach out to businesses to let them know about these changes and to listen to their concerns about how they may affect their operations. The business community is very concerned that the public will think that they are polluting more because of the tougher rules, when they actually have been polluting a lot less over the years. So the board acted to set a public hearing at the June 2015 Governing Board meeting to make their decision on the details of the proposed rule changes and the communication efforts. You're welcome to join us at the meeting here at our Diamond Bar headquarters, or follow the meeting live on our YouTube channel or on aqmd.gov. The future of clean air is going to depend on a lot of new technologies. So investing in advanced education and training for those who will be designing and building those future technologies is very important. The board heard a proposal to help sponsor 2 academic new technology competitions. California State University Los Angeles is entering the EcoCar 3 series, and Team OC, a group of over 100 students from 4 Orange County colleges, is participating in the Solar Decathlon. The EcoCar 3 series are advanced design and build vehicle competitions sponsored by the United States Department of Energy and General Motors. The main goal is the preparation of the next generation of engineers who gain real-world research experience in the development of extremely complex advanced vehicle technologies. EcoCar 3 challenges 16 North American universities to redesign a stock 2016 gasoline Chevrolet Camaro into a fuel-electric hybrid vehicle that will reduce the environmental impact of vehicles, minimize fuel consumption, maintain performance, safety, and consumer appeal, and provide research and innovation opportunities to students. The second competition is the 2015 United States Department of Energy's Solar Decathlon. This competition challenges 17 U.S. and international university teams to create solar-powered houses that are cost-effective, energy-efficient, attractive, and incorporate electric car charging into their energy system. Each house entering the competition must produce more energy than it uses. The overall goal of the competition is to prepare the next generation of engineers, computer scientists, architects, scientists, and graphic designers by giving them an opportunity to gain real-world experience in building design, function, and sustainability. For this year's event, the participating Southern California team, Team OC, is comprised of over 100 students from the University of California, Irvine, Chapman University, Irvine Valley College, and Saddleback College. Their house design, entitled Casa del Sol, will be a net-zero energy home that incorporates design inspiration from the California poppy. So the board acted to co-sponsor these student competitions that will bring new technology experts to help with our future clean air efforts. One of the main reasons that we have so much air pollution in our region is that we burn a lot of fuel making things and moving stuff around, like with construction equipment, trucks full of the things we make, and of course we move ourselves. We burn gasoline in cars and light vehicles, diesel in trucks, trains, and construction equipment, heavy fuel oil in ships, aviation fuels in aircraft, and natural gas and other fuels in boilers, heaters, gas turbines, and reciprocating engines. So that's why, since 1988, when South Coast AQMD's then governing board worked with the California State Legislature to set up the Clean Fuels Program, South Coast AQMD's Technology Advancement Office has been finding, nurturing, and getting clean technologies into everyday use. As part of the program, South Coast AQMD prepares an annual report and plan update to the state legislature. The board heard that in 2014, the base funding of about $14 million bought over $64 million worth of new technology projects by bringing in both public and private partners. 2014's new projects included zero-emission drayage trucks, near-zero natural gas heavy-duty engines, plug-in hybrid truck conversions, and hydrogen fueling stations. Some of the almost 50 projects being completed during this past year included electric heavy-duty freight trucks and natural gas-powered shuttle vans, and additional fueling stations. The governing board acted to approve the 2014 report along with its 2015 update and forward it to the state legislature as required by the Clean Fuels Program. At their January 2015 meeting, the governing board officially kicked off South Coast AQMD's Electric Lawnmower Exchange Program by authorizing the purchase of up to 4,000 electric battery-powered lawnmowers at a deep discount to pass the savings on to you. Because of this program, for the past 12 years, people have been able to exchange their old, dirty, gas-powered mowers and get a very special deal on a new, clean, cordless, electric-powered model. 6 lawnmower exchange events have been scheduled for 2015. In May for Long Beach, Anaheim, and Riverside, and in June for Van Nuys, Ontario, and Arcadia. Registration for the 2015 Electric Lawnmower Exchange Program begins at 8 a.m. on April 22nd and is on a first-come, first-served basis. To participate, you must pre-register for the mower of your choice at www.aqmd.gov/lawnmower or by calling 888-425-6247. Telephone registration is available in English and Spanish. The South Coast AQMD's governing board usually meets at their Diamond Bar headquarters on the first Friday of each month, except August. Our job at South Coast AQMD is to find out where air pollution is coming from, figure out ways to reduce it, and then work together with businesses, lawmakers, scientists, and the community so that we can all have clean, healthy air to breathe. And all this work is under the leadership of a 13-member governing board. 3 of the board members are appointed by state elected officials, 1 by the Governor of California, 1 by the State Assembly, and 1 by the State Senate. There are 4 county supervisors representing Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties. 6 are local elected officials, including mayors and council members representing the cities in each county. You're always welcome to come join us and participate, or follow the meeting as it is live streamed online at our YouTube channel, South Coast AQMD and aqmd.gov. Past meetings, agendas, and information on each item can also be found on our website. We encourage you to get connected to South Coast AQMD. Check out our apps for smartphones and iPads. We have a bi-monthly publication called The Digital Advisor that can be read online or on our interactive iPad app that you can download from the App Store. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Visit aqmd.gov to learn more about how you can help us clean the air that we breathe. I'm Philip Crabb. Thank you for watching South Coast AQMD on the Air. See you next month.